आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं आपकी प्यारी सी गोपी यानी कि जिया मानिक का बर्थडे और उस बर्थडे को और खास बनाने के लिए आ गई है भाविनी पुरोहित। तो भाविनी ऑल सेट शॉक हर।
यस फाइनली जिया का बर्थडे आ गया है और मतलब लास्ट ईयर आई गेस मैं नहीं आ पाई थी, तो इस वक्त मैं फ्री हूँ, तो इवन शी को गिव मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि मैं आ सकूँ, तो यस आई एम हियर।
ऑल सेट, चले।
Not expecting her at all, and I was really surprised. Thank you.
I'm meeting her after really long, I guess. बीच में हमेशा प्लान बनते हैं बहुत सारे, but it does not work out.
Yeah, it doesn't materialize. Somehow we always try and plan that we do this and that, but hota nahi hai. But I'm so glad.
At least for a birthday, I'm here.
Yeah, that she took the effort of coming over to my place.
Finally, the cake. I like that the most.
Yeah, I'm going to say my wish silently.
First is for herself. Yeah, you don't need it.
Now, I think first I would want to give to my fans.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, this is for all my fans on India forums and even the ones who are not on India forums. Thank you for praying for me. I'm sure you all will have a lot of wishes for me, and every year you all do a lot of things to make me feel special. So this is the least I can do for you all. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. अब मैं खाती थी.
Okay, I will also.
So what are your birthday plans for this year, Jia?
Actually, मैंने एक live chat किया था मेरे fan page पे. So in that live chat, somebody had asked me what are my plans for my birthday. So क्योंकि मेरे कुछ दोस्तों के साथ मेरी कुछ plans चल रही थी travel करने के लिए. So I told them honestly that I could be traveling, and since then my fans have been not exactly upset, they've just been restless and behind all possible journalists that they know to take my bite before I travel. Everything that I've wished for in life, God has been very, very kind to make all my dreams come true. And of course, if you ask me what I want and what something that even my fans want, they want to see me back on screen. But I would just like to make a statement here that because the previous 2-3 shows that I've done, they have been so fabulous and so amazing that I feel the pressure and the responsibility to keep the bar high and not do anything beyond that. So as soon as I get a show which is on par with what I have done, you'll see me back on screen. So I hope this birthday your wish to see me back on screen comes true.
I will gift her anything that she wants. She can ask me anything. मतलब I am sure you're not gonna ask me something.
I think I would like to request Bhavani to just make a wish for me that my wishes come true.
Yeah, that though I will definitely do it.
Now, I don't want anything materialistic, honestly. So
पर no, I'll get it for her और वो इंस्टा पे हम लोग पोस्ट कर देंगे तो
हाँ हम लोग yeah, through Insta you will know about it. Yes.
Yes, it's kind of surprise. I'm not. It's Jia. Like I have to think and think. ये they called me last night कि आज जाना है, so it was like sudden plan where I was not expecting also that.
Yeah.
And I was actually more surprised कि oh shit मतलब it's Jia's birthday or like I have to go to her place and.
Thank you for coming. What am I surprising myself with? Nothing actually. I don't gift myself anything special on every birthday because I feel whenever I need something, I just get it for myself. Thank God I have the ability to do that. So like every year there is something special that I do for the underprivileged people, so I would just want to continue the same, but just in case if I go abroad, then I would be doing it before going or probably after coming. And I have this thing where I generally don't throw parties on my birthday, because I believe that instead of spending money on my friends, I spend it on the underprivileged people, because my friends are um, all my friends belong to families where, you know, we can meet and pay for our own stuff. So I would like to spend that money more wisely on people who can't spend it on themselves.
Great.
Childhood birthday mein, of course, there were parties that were thrown at my place. And me and my mother, we would go to Crawford Market, and we would get return gifts from there in dozens. तो कभी skipping rope मैं देती थी, या कभी bracelet मैं देती थी, या कभी एक छोटा सा मेकअप किट देती थी सबको. So
Everyone is excited, right?
Exactly.
Birthday parties में return gifts के लिए more people are
exactly,
like, wow.
honestly, few of my friends, they were more interested in coming for my party to get the return gift more than coming and wishing me. So that are few of the memories of my childhood. But as I kept growing, I started losing interest in throwing parties on my birthday. Absolutely. Satya, of course, abhi recently there was a video that went viral, so it brought back all my memories of Satya and how I had.
वाला thing,
Oh my god. I've done few of the funniest things in that show, so I will never forget that. It's just a part of few of the most amazing memories that I have of Satya. I think since the time I've started working in the industry, the kind of unconditional love that I've got from my fans, from people who might never even meet me or who might never even talk to me personally, they have done so many things to bring a smile on my face. So I think this kind of unconditional love, I must have definitely done something good to deserve this in this lifetime. So I would want to say thank you to all of y'all. Thank you is the least I can do for y'all. Okay, this is a special thanks to my fan named Karan. मुझे आपकी MAC लिपस्टिक्स मिल गई है and I love all the colors. But Karan, please मुझे ट्विटर पे बता दो आपको मेरा एड्रेस कहाँ से मिला. Next time onwards, please send it to India Forums, because there are times when I'm not at home. So if you're sending me your cards or gifts, you know, there is no guarantee that it will be delivered here, because अगर घर पे कोई है नहीं एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. So it is always safer to send the gifts and the cards to Upasna. And also I would want to mention one more thing, that please don't spend so much money. Spend it on yourself. I'm happy with the cards and the love and the support that I get from you all. Thank you.
सो ये थे हमारे साथ जिया और भाविनी शेयरिंग देयर बर्थडे प्लान्स. ओके जिया, जाते जाते हैप्पी बर्थडे
Thank you. Sorry. Thank you.
एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग.
Thank you for inviting me.
थैंक यू ईच अदर.
Thank you. Please, all my fans, you all have to say thank you to Upasna, क्योंकि आपकी उपासना दीदी ने आके मेरा बाइट कवर कर लिया और आपका विश पूरा कर दिया before I fly.
To Upasna.
Thank you.
विद कैमरा पर्सन बाबाजी, उपासना पटेल, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई.
Hi, this is Jia Manik. Please keep watching India Forums and also subscribe to WhatsApp TV. Bye.